The Med Cooking School is based in a former convent that at one stage was also a town hall in the town of Segli near Brindisi in Puglia in southern Italy. The school opened 2 years ago and only takes 20 students for each course. Tuition is very practical but also quite expensive at about €6,000 for a 9-week course. The quality of the food the students produce is high, but it needs to be, because that's what they eat for lunch most days. Marco has taught at the school since September 2014. What does he like to cook?
Vegetable. I love vegetable. Vegetable. Meat and fish too, but vegetable because vegetable is incredible.
And what can Marco tell us about the school's reputation?
In this place, it's the top.